In this demo, we will register a new Netbiter gateway and create an account in the Netbiter Argos web interface. We will also do a very simple configuration using the relay output of our Netbiter gateway. This enables us to control the relay remotely through the Netbiter Argos website, for example, to turn a field device on or off. First, we access the Netbiter Argos data center at netbiter.net with the use of a standard web browser. We click Create an Account and then decide on an account name and password. Fill in name and email address, etc. After this, we enter the device ID and activation code, which we received with the Netbiter gateway. When clicking Register, an account is created on the Netbiter Argos data center, and we will receive a notification email that our account has been created. I open this email and click on the link to activate the account. Now we can proceed to the login phase and log on with the account details that we entered in the creation process. Once logged in to the account, the startup screen shows a project called My First Project. By clicking on My First Project, I can see that there is one pending system. This means that there is a Netbiter attached to this account, but it has not been configured yet. To start the configuration, I click on One Pending System and then Activate. If I have purchased the full subscription version of Netbiter Argos, I can add my subscription key here. In this case, we're using the free version, so I select this from the drop-down menu and click Activate. If I'm using a Netbiter Easy Connect 220, which connects over a GPRS GSM network, I will need to state the phone number. I do this in the Management tab. If I have purchased a Netbiter SIM card, I simply need to state the number which I received upon purchase. I can also use a regular SIM card, but then I need to state the APN, which is provided by the SIM card supplier. APN stands for Access Point Name and specifies how the Netbiter accesses the Internet. After clicking Activate, I can see that my Netbiter is online, indicated by the green star here. But it has not yet been configured to monitor any data. I therefore click the Configuration tab. By clicking Add Device, it is possible to configure communication with equipment supporting the Modbus protocol. However, in this demo, we will only demonstrate how to do a simple configuration by using the onboard I/O of the Netbiter gateway. In the Visualization tab, I can configure live access to parameters in the field, enabling me to read or write to parameters of the remote field equipment. By selecting the Relay Output in the drop-down menu, I add access to that parameter, which makes it possible to control the relay output remotely through Netbiter Argos. This can, for example, be used to turn something on or off in the field. By clicking Save, I have added access to the relay. We also want to set up an alarm. I go to the Alarms tab and choose Add Alarm Parameter. In the drop-down menu, I select the parameter I want the alarm to concern. I choose that the alarm should concern relay output. I name it Relay Alarm and state that the alarm should be activated if the value is equal to 1. I can also set an alarm level for the alarm, and in this case, I choose that it is a critical alarm. I have now finished the setup of an alarm, which means that the Netbiter will send me a notification via a text message and an email when the remote device is turned on. Finally, I click Synchronize Configuration, and my configuration is transferred and synchronized with the Netbiter gateway in the field.